healthy food or junk food में, that we are going to study. Everybody keep your notebook and pencil ready with you. You have to write as I will keep on teaching. You have to keep on writing also the difference between the healthy food and the junk food. Everybody keep your notebook, keep your pencil open. Put today's date. आज का डेट डालो और ऊपर गिव अ हेडिंग. Above give a heading, difference between healthy food and junk food. I hope everybody is taking out your notebooks, taking out your pencil. Open your notebook. Write a heading, difference between healthy food and junk food. Give a heading, difference between healthy food and junk food. So we'll understand here, we will understand what is the difference between junk food and healthy food. ऐसे क्या differences हैं healthy food और junk food में, we'll learn that. Okay. Everybody is writing. Give a heading. First give a heading, difference between healthy food and junk food. Akshat, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Have you taken out your notebook?
Yes.
Have you written the heading? Have you given the heading, difference between healthy food and junk food?
No.
लिखो जल्दी. Increase your speed of writing. What is the first point? Healthy food. In healthy food. Okay. Heading दे दिया. Below that heading, make a table. Make a table. Make 2 rows in that. Just like on the screen you can see. Make a table. एक table बनाओ. उसमें 2 row बनाओ. Make 2 rows. In one row give a heading healthy food. In other row give a heading of junk food. फर्स्ट रो में हेडिंग दो हेल्दी फूड, सेकेंड रो में हेडिंग दो जंक फूड. So what is the first point of healthy food? What is the first difference of healthy food and junk food? Healthy food is very useful for our body. What is the first point? Healthy food is very useful for our body. How healthy food is very useful to our body? Who will tell me? Rupesh, unmute yourself.
Teacher.
Rupesh, how healthy food is very useful for our body?
क्योंकि इसमें विटामिन होता है.
आंसर इन इंग्लिश. ईवीएस का क्लास है ना, इंग्लिश में आंसर दो. हाउ हेल्दी फूड इज यूजफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी? What healthy food contains that is very useful for our body?
Yes, teacher.
Tell how healthy food is useful for our body. Okay. Saras, unmute yourself. वॉइस इतना लो क्यों आ रहा है सबका?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me how healthy food is useful for our body?
Because the healthy food gives our vitamin to our body, and it gives
It gives
energy.
minerals and energy to our body. What healthy food contains? Healthy food contains lot of minerals in them, lot of vitamins in them, lot of nutrients in them. Okay, so all these vitamins, nutrients, minerals are very useful for our body. It helps our body in growing properly. Okay, these all food gives us our body energy to do lots and lots of activities. In daily you do lots and lots of activities. For doing that activity your body needs energy. Okay, have you seen car, Saras?
Yes.
कार देखा है ना. So car को if I have to drive a car, what car needs more? If I have to start the car, what I should put inside the car?
Key.
नहीं, कार को स्टार्ट करने के लिए अगर इफ आई हैव टू मूव द कार, व्हाट कार नीड्स मोर?
पेट्रोल.
पेट्रोल. अगर कार को चलाना है, अगर कार को भगाना है तो मुझे क्या डालना पड़ेगा? कार में पेट्रोल डालना पड़ेगा. इफ आई एम नॉट पुटिंग पेट्रोल इनसाइड द कार, विल कार मूव फास्ट?
No.
No. Same way our body is also like a car. For to move our body fast, to do the lots and lots of activities, we need lots and lots of healthy food. We need petrol. What is petrol for our body? What is the petrol? The healthy food is the petrol for our body. If we don't eat healthy food, what will happen? Just like car, we will also not move. Okay, understood? That is the I gave you the example of car and petrol. देखो, अगर कार में पेट्रोल नहीं डालोगे तो कार मूव नहीं करेगी. सेम वे आवर बॉडी इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ कार. हियर पेट्रोल फॉर अस. पेट्रोल, व्हाट इज द पेट्रोल फॉर अस हियर? हेल्दी फूड इज द पेट्रोल फॉर अस, राइट? सो अगर हम खाना नहीं खाएंगे, हेल्दी फूड नहीं खाएंगे, तो हम भी मूव नहीं कर पाएंगे, जैसे कार मूव नहीं करती पेट्रोल के बिना, राइट? So healthy food is, so understand, healthy food is so much important for our body that if we don't eat healthy food, we will not be able to do the day to day activities which we like to do. You all like to play, right? अगर आप healthy food नहीं खाओगे तो कैसे खेलोगे? How you will play with your friends? What will happen if you eat junk food? जंक फूड खाने से कैसे फील होता है? हाउ यू फील आफ्टर हैविंग जंक फूड? योर स्टमक विल स्टार्ट पेनिंग, यू विल फील लेजी. आप एक्टिव नहीं रहोगे, आपको लेजीनेस लगेगा, पूरा दिन ऐसे ही बैठे रहूं. होल डे आई शुड सिट एंड eat and keep on eating. You feel like this. You will not feel like I should run, I should jump, I should walk, I should play with my friend, I should ride bicycle. You will not feel like that, okay, if you eat junk food. Junk food, what is the next point? Junk food harms us in many ways. As I told you, junk food, how does junk food harms us? How junk food harms us? Akshat, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
How junk food harms us? How it is harmful for us? जंक फूड हार्मफुल क्यों है?
क्योंकि इसमें सॉल्ट, शुगर एंड ऑयल रहता है.
Because in that food lots of oil, sugar and salt is there. How you will feel, Akshat, if you eat junk food daily? If you eat junk food, how you will feel?
Stomach is pain.
stomach pain, your body will start paining, and how you will feel? आपको फील कैसे होगा? आपको कुछ करने का मन करेगा? खेलने
No.
का मन करेगा? दौड़ने का
No.
मन करेगा?
No.
करेगा?
Huh?
How you will feel? You will feel like I should play, I should run, I should jump, or you will feel like whole day I should sit on the sofa and do nothing. कैसे फील होगा आपको जंक फूड खाने के बाद? बोलो कैसे फील होगा? आपको खेलने का मन करेगा कि पूरा दिन सो जाओ ऐसे मन करेगा?
पूरा दिन सोने का।
अच्छा, मैं हिंदी में बोलती हूँ तो समझ में आता, इंग्लिश में बोलती हूँ तो नहीं समझ में आता। So how you will feel if you eat daily, if you will eat junk food, how you feel? You will feel lazy, and you will there will be no energy to do the activities. Like this, the junk food harms us in many ways. I hope everybody is writing. तो लिखना ना, लिखना भी है आपको। I told you to make a table, make 2 rows. In one row, give a heading healthy food. In another row, give a heading junk food, and start writing one by one the points as it is given in the screen, on the screen. First point of healthy food is it is very useful for our body. First difference of healthy food and junk food is that healthy food is very useful for our body, junk food is very harmful for our body. What is the second point? Healthy food help us to grow. How does the healthy food help us to grow? Because I told you healthy foods contain more vitamins, more minerals, so that vitamins, that minerals, as they go inside our body, they give our body energy to grow properly. If you have daily, if you have milk, if you drink milk, if you eat lots of fruits, lots of vegetable, your growth will be proper. Okay. Junk food harms our growth. Junk food harms our growth. Junk food, in junk food there is no vitamins, there is no mineral to give us energy. So that affects our growth. So if you eat junk food, your growth will be not proper. Your body growth will be not proper. हो सकता है आपका हाइट कम हो, आपका हाइट ग्रो ना हो, ठीक है, जंक फूड से. देन जंक फूड, इफ यू ईट हेल्दी फूड, आवर वेट विल बी प्रॉपर, आवर वेट, बॉडी वेट विल बी नॉर्मल. If we eat healthy food, if we eat junk food, what will happen? Our body weight will be not normal, we will become fat, we will be continuously becoming fat. Okay, so that is how the junk food harms our growth. Everybody is understanding what is the difference between healthy food and junk food? You have to understand all these points, because these points can be asked in the oral paper also. You can be asked, tell any 2 points, any 2 difference between healthy food and junk food. Give any 1 difference between healthy food and junk food. Or give any 2 points of difference of healthy food and junk food. So you have to remember all these points, you have to understand all these points. Total there are 5 points, 5 differences between healthy food and junk food. At the end of the class, I am going to check your notebooks. How many of you are writing difference between healthy food and junk food? What is the third point? 21 to 30 इतनी है. Anugrah, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Read the third point.
Junk food.
Third point पढ़ो.
Junk food.
दोनों का, हेल्दी फूड और जंक फूड का। पहले हेल्दी फूड का थर्ड पॉइंट पढ़ो, फिर जंक फूड का थर्ड पॉइंट पढ़ो।
Yes. It keeps you strong, fit and fine.
हेल्दी
Feel.
स्ट्रॉन्ग, फिट एंड फाइन। जंक फूड
Next. It may make you weak and sick.
can sick. What healthy foods do? Strong, fit and आपकी से डिस्टर्बेंस क्यों आ रहा है बेटा इतना? म्यूट करो। So, what is the third point? What is the third difference between healthy food and junk food? Healthy food keeps us strong, fit and fine. Means if you eat daily, if you eat healthy food, what will happen? You will become strong, you will become fit, you will become fine. Means you will not fall ill more. Okay. Again and again you will not fall ill. You will become strong, you will be strong, you will be fit, you will be fit to fight any illness if you eat healthy food. Whereas junk food, it makes us weak and sick. If you eat daily, if you eat junk food daily, if you have cold drinks, what will happen? You will again and again you will fall sick. फिर बार बार आपको डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ेगा, बार बार। देन अगेन एंड अगेन यू हैव टू गो टू द डॉक्टर, अगेन एंड अगेन यू हैव टू eat medicines. If you eat healthy food, you don't have to eat medicines, you don't have to go to the doctor, you will not fall ill again and again. Those who don't have textbook, you can see on my screen. This differentiation is given in your textbook also, but जिनके पास textbook नहीं है, they can see on the screen, okay, and write. What is the fourth point? Harshit, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Read the fourth differentiation between healthy food and junk food.
It does not have any harmful items in it.
That's it. Fourth point. वो fifth point पढ़ रहे हो आप. Fourth point पढ़ो. It is freshly prepared.
It is freshly prepared. It may not be fresh.
It may not be fresh. Healthy food is freshly prepared. How healthy food is freshly prepared? मम्मा भाजी काट के उधर ही उधर काट के उधर ही उधर गरम गरम बनाती है ना.
Yes.
So that is freshly prepared. Junk food is may not be fresh. Okay, junk food fresh नहीं होता. कल का बनाया हुआ. अभी if you go to eat vada pav outside, if you go to eat vada pav, samosa, in morning he will make the vada pav, he will fry the vadas, he will fry the samosas, and evening if you are eating, that will not be considered as fresh. वो फ्रेश नहीं होगा ना. सुबह का बनाया हुआ शाम को खाओगे तो वो फ्रेश होगा नहीं ना. So junk foods may not be fresh, and healthy foods are freshly prepared. Mostly healthy foods are freshly prepared. Okay. There only mama cuts the vegetables and cooks the vegetable, means that is freshly prepared. Whereas junk foods are not freshly prepared. Understanding, everybody? अर्विता, अनम्यूट करो. अर्विता.
Yes, teacher.
Read the last point, last difference between healthy food and junk food.
It does not have harmful items in it. It may have harmful items added to it. This makes it easy to cook and tasty good.
And taste good. Very good, Advita. Mute yourself. So, what is the fifth point? Healthy food does not have any harmful items in it. Whenever we cook healthy food like vegetables or when we eat fruits, what we do? We wash them. Right? We first wash before cooking the vegetables. What mama does? She washes the vegetables properly. She cleans the vegetables properly. She removes the dirt. She removes the germs from it. Right, then mama cooks the vegetable. So we first remove all the harmful items, all the germs from the healthy food, and then we cook the healthy food. So it doesn't contain any harmful items in it. Whereas junk food contains harmful items. Harmful items means, which are the harmful items which junk food contains? As I told you, lot of sugar, oil, salt. Okay, these three are the harmful items which junk food contains, and it makes them very tasty also. If we add any to any food, if we add lot of sugar, it will become tasty, it will become sweet, but that sweet thing is very bad for us. So much sweet is also very bad for us. Cold drink, for example, cold drinks में फूड कलर मिलाया जाता है जो उसको अच्छा दिखता भी है और टेस्ट भी अच्छा करता है. कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स में फूड कलर मिलाया जाता है और शुगर भी ऐड किया जाता है जो उसको टेस्टी बनाता है, बट दैट इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर अस. ओके, so which are the harmful items which are added to the junk food and it makes them easy to cook? Like salt, sugar and oil. They make it very tasty to eat, but they are very harmful for us. Rupesh, please check the recording. Go to the YouTube and check the recording if you were not in the last lecture. How many of you check the recordings? Recordings कौन कौन check करता है यहाँ पे?